Good morning, plumbers. Good morning, world. Today's plumbing adventure, we're going to turn on a house for the spring season. The summer season is here. With that, I got an additional job there, turn on the heat system. And I know we had some problems with the zone valves, and the system's been down for 2 years, so now they want the heat system on. So we're going to go ahead and turn that on and get it running. First thing we gotta do, secure the water meter. All right, boys, here we go. No leaky. So we turn the water meter on and just test the meter, and sure enough, I got a little drip. I have the house side of the meter shut off. So now we just want to tighten up this reverse nut. Oh yeah, there it is. Oh, it's leaking worse. Now we got to hold back. Let's hold back on this joker. Still leaking. See it leaking? Here's what we're gonna do. Let's tighten this up. Already got a leak today. Hey, just when you need your friendly gas company, they show up.
You have them marked out.
We do. What's up? All right, we gotta take the washer out. I was busy talking to my man Frank, my gas company buddy. We gotta double check on this washer here. It's a little tired, but man, I should just go get some washers here, dude. Look at this washer. You know what? It's time for a washer change. We're going new washers, folks. New washers, CB. Here it goes, baby. Oh. What's happened on this one? Oh, it's still in there. All right. We're gonna go new washers. This should work much better. CB, you want to do this?
What? The washer.
Oh, jeez. Guys, whoop. All right. There it is. Expansion joint always goes to the city side, boys. Now this should work much better. Oh. Washers, hopefully a new result. What you can do? All right, here we go, boys. I feel know good results coming. New washers. Oh. Yeah, boy. New washers. Good results, baby. No leak. All right. The city was kind enough to give me a whole bag of washers. Thank you, City of Brigantine.